In this video, I'll show you how to add AdBlock to Google Chrome. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Then, open your preferred search engine and search for Chrome Web Store. Alternatively, you can go directly to chromewebstore.google.com. Once you're in the Chrome Web Store, click the search bar in the top left corner and type AdBlock. From the search results, select the official AdBlock extension. You can identify it by its large number of users and reviews. On the extension page, click Add to Chrome, then select Add Extension when the confirmation window appears. Chrome will download and install the extension automatically. After the installation is complete, AdBlock will be enabled, and you'll start seeing fewer ads while browsing. You may also be asked if you'd like to make a donation, but that's completely optional. If you ever want to disable AdBlock on a specific website, click the Extensions puzzle piece icon in the top right corner of Chrome, then select AdBlock. From there, you can choose to pause AdBlock temporarily or disable it for that website. To enable it again later, open the AdBlock menu and select Resume or Unpause AdBlock. That's all it takes to add and manage AdBlock in Google Chrome. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.